How to glow up without spending money. Are you tired of searching for the best glow-up video to transform yourself? Today's video is exactly what you need. In this video, I'm revealing all the secrets to glowing up like a star without spending a fortune. Have you ever wondered how your friends and classmates always look so good and wished you could achieve that same fresh look? Then your wait is over, because in this video, I'll share all the essential tips to instantly enhance your appearance. Subscribe to my channel to join me as I regularly upload informative and transformative content. Let's start. This video includes appearance, health, confidence. Step number 1. Set goals. The first step in changing your appearance is to set clear, achievable goals. Do you want to enhance your natural features, experiment with a new hairstyle, or maybe try a bold new makeup look? Whatever it may be, having a vision of what you want to achieve is crucial in transforming your appearance. Remember, the sky's the limit, so dream big and let your creativity shine through. Step number 2. Hydrate. The first and most important step in changing your appearance is to hydrate your body. Drinking plenty of water not only improves your skin's complexion and gives you a natural glow, but it also helps with weight management and overall health. So, grab a glass of water and start sipping your way to a more radiant and refreshed appearance. Step number 3. Skincare routine. Next up, let's talk about skincare. Taking care of your skin is essential in maintaining a healthy and radiant complexion. Start by identifying your skin type and invest in high-quality skincare products that cater to your specific needs. Cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting your skin from harmful UV rays are key steps in achieving a flawless complexion. With a consistent skincare routine, you'll be glowing from within in no time. Step number 4. Hair. Hair is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in our appearance. To achieve a perfect glow-up, consider visiting a hair salon to get a trendy haircut that frames your face and looks best on you. However, if you're on a budget and can't afford a salon visit, don't worry. Grab your comb and scissors and cut your hair at home. You can find plenty of haircut tutorials online to guide you through the process. Additionally, if you don't want to cut your hair, try experimenting with new hairstyles to instantly enhance your look. Step number 5. Grooming is key. Maintaining good hygiene and grooming habits can make a world of difference in your appearance. Take the time to wash and style your hair, trim your nails, and clean your skin regularly. A little self-care goes a long way in boosting your confidence and changing your appearance for the better. You don't need expensive products or salon visits, just a little time and effort. Step number 6. Clothing. You don't need to buy a whole new wardrobe to change your appearance. Instead, take a closer look at your closet and get creative with your outfits. Mix and match pieces, try new combinations, and accessorize to add a fresh twist to your look. You'll be amazed at how a few simple changes can completely transform your appearance and style. Step number 7. Get moving. Exercise is not only great for your physical health, but it also has amazing benefits for your appearance. Regular physical activity helps improve circulation, which can give your skin a healthy, natural glow. Plus, exercising releases endorphins, which can boost your mood and confidence. So, lace up those sneakers and get moving to change your appearance for the better. Step number 8. Embrace your natural beauty. One of the most powerful ways to change your appearance without spending money is to embrace your natural beauty. Focus on enhancing your best features and celebrating what makes you unique. Whether it's your smile, your eyes, or your natural hair texture, learn to love and appreciate the beauty that is inherently you. Confidence is the best accessory you can wear, and it doesn't cost a thing. Step number 9. Smile more. Last but certainly not least, don't underestimate the power of a smile. Smiling not only makes you more attractive and approachable, but it also boosts your mood and promotes positive energy. So, flash those pearly whites and radiate happiness wherever you go. A genuine smile is the best makeover you can give yourself. Step number 1. Drink sufficient water. Glowing up happens from the inside out, and water is the key to helping you look and feel your best every day. Buy a reusable drink bottle and keep it filled up with fresh water at all times. Carry it with you wherever you go to remind yourself to stay hydrated. If you aren't the biggest fan of plain water, you can always make infused water using your favorite produce to give it a bit more flavor. Try strawberries, cucumber, oranges, or mint. Remembering to drink more water can be difficult when you first start. Try setting a reminder on your phone or putting a note on the fridge. Alternatively, you can also download smartphone apps that track your water intake and give you friendly reminders. Step number 2. Nutrition. Let's kick things off with nutrition, the foundation of good health. It's no secret that what you put into your body has a direct impact on how you look and feel. So, opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods will provide your body with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants it needs to thrive. Remember, a rainbow of colors on your plate equals a rainbow of health benefits. Step number 3. Movement. Now, let's get moving. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight, reducing stress, and boosting your mood. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's yoga, running, dancing, or swimming, and make it a regular part of your routine. Don't forget to mix things up to keep your body and mind engaged. Remember, movement is medicine. Step number 4. Sleep. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's just as important as nutrition and exercise when it comes to good health. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest, repair, and recharge. Create a calming bedtime routine, turn off screens at least an hour before bed, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows for a restful night's sleep. Step number 5. Stress management. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a common culprit behind many health issues. Take time each day to unwind and relax, whether it's through meditation, deep breathing, journaling, or spending time in nature. Find activities that bring you joy and peace, and make them a priority in your schedule. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's essential for your overall well-being. Step number 1. Stay positive. A huge part of your glow up is learning to believe in yourself. Write down recurrent, negative thoughts and then write positive, logical affirmations as a counter-argument. Practice saying these positive affirmations aloud every day. Although it may feel difficult or silly at the beginning, with enough time and practice it should become easier to believe the positive affirmations. Some popular positive affirmations include, I deserve to be happy, I am an intelligent and hardworking person, and I am capable of reaching my goals. Step number 2. Set achievable goals. Maybe you have financial, career, or personal goals that you have been wanting to achieve. Sit down and write a list of your goals. Then break each goal up into smaller, actionable steps that you can get started on. Keep your goals realistic and celebrate your successes. Remember that your goals can be as big or as little as you like. As long as you are realistic about how you will achieve them, that's all that matters. Step number 3. Dress for success. They say that clothes make the man, and it's true. When you look good, you feel good. So, take some time to invest in your appearance. Find clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable. Pay attention to your grooming habits and make sure you're presenting yourself in the best possible light. When you feel good about how you look, your confidence will soar. Step number 4. Good body language. Body language can speak volumes about your confidence level. Stand tall, make eye contact, and give a firm handshake. Smile often and use open gestures to show that you're open and approachable. When you practice good body language, you not only appear more confident to others, but you also start to feel more confident in yourself. Step number 5. Surround yourself with positive people. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who lift you up and encourage you to be your best self. Avoid toxic relationships that drain your energy and confidence. Cultivate a strong support system that believes in you and pushes you to achieve your goals. And there you have it, my loves. These simple yet effective tips will help you glow up from the inside out without breaking the bank. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and when you radiate confidence and self-love, there is no limit to how bright you can shine. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay beautiful and keep glowing. Love and light to you all. Bye.